Okay, so we're gonna do another video of my afterburner setup on this Freewing 90mm F-22. I made some changes. What I was using before worked pretty good, but still not quite as good as I wanted it to. So I made some changes. I put a brighter LED array, but I used the same controllers. Everything else is the same, with the exception of the controllers. So, I mean, with the exception of the LED. So, let's run it up so you can see. It's a little different. There's no flicker on this one, but they come on. That way, and that's going all the way to full bright. So they come on right around half throttle, and then increase the full. Let's see, let's do it again. You can see, but as the way that I did it, it's embedded inside the foam next to the fan. So there's no interference. It's not getting in, there's no thrust reduction at all, or anything getting in the way, or turbulence or any of that at all, because it's all out of the way. So there you go, you can see it.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
That's it. This is even brighter than it was before, so should it be even more visible. And the way that I have it set up, it's set so that they shine straight out the rear, so it looks more like actual afterburners in there. So you can see it shines right out the rear of each one. So it's right down the middle, so it's like there's two individual engines shining out the rear. That's it.